Hey, Steph, good morning to you. Good morning, everyone. Here's where we're going to begin today. Vaccine eligibility. It's expected to expand again this week. So the province is expected to lower the eligibility to people as young as 40 this week. All Ontarians 40 and older have been eligible to receive the AstraZeneca vaccine at pharmacies for a few weeks now, but that age group will soon be able to book a shot through the provincial booking system. People with conditions deemed high at risk, they will also begin receiving vaccines, including those with heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and dementia. And Group 2 of frontline workers who cannot work from home will also be eligible. That includes those who work at the grocery store, food bank, and LCBO employees. Meantime, more appointments are opening up right across Toronto, and the city adding more than 17,000 extra spots across its 5 city-operated clinics this week. Due to the extra supply of shots, clinics are hoping to administer around 98,000 doses between now and Sunday. This is the website, toronto.ca/COVID-19. This weekend, the city reaching a milestone with at least one dose administered to 50% of adults in TO. To date, over 1.4 million doses have been administered here. Meanwhile, in York Region, expanding the vaccine rollout, allowing more residents to book appointments. So starting this morning, 8:30, all residents 40 and older able to register for a vaccine, as well as anyone 18 and older who cannot work from home. 78,000 appointments will be made available, more on the way in the coming weeks. And you can go to their website, york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine, for more there. Let's get to Halton Region, also opening up more appointments starting today. Anyone 16 and older who cannot work from home can book a vaccine. All residents 50 and above also now eligible. In Peel Region, an additional 10,000 appointments are opening up for residents 18 and above. So the region is hoping to administer the first dose to 75% of adults by the end of May. And in Durham Region, adults 40 and above now eligible for a shot, as well as those at risk health conditions. Again, all of this is on our website, citynews.ca, in case you missed any of those details. Meanwhile, the province is continuing its vaccination efforts by targeting essential workers who have been on the job since the start of the pandemic. We're going to take you live right now to the food terminal in Etobicoke. Employees here will be able to roll up their sleeves for a shot, and that is thanks to a workplace clinic setting up on site. More workplace clinics will be opening up later this month at other companies, including Walmart Canada, Loblaws, and Purolator. Now, it is a quiet week for vaccine shipments in Canada, as doses on the way are coming from only one company. 2 million shots will be arriving from Pfizer. Moderna doses will not be shipped to Canada until next week. The feds have yet to say when Canada will receive more vaccines from Johnson & Johnson. Canada is expecting 650,000 AstraZeneca doses from its COVAX initiative, but the delivery schedule has yet to be finalized on that. Well, it is National Nursing Week, but new polls show healthcare workers on the front lines have been burnt out throughout this pandemic. A survey by Oracle, polling for the Canadian Union of Public Employees, showing over half of the 2,600 registered practical nurses were coping poorly or extremely poorly at work over the past year. A separate internal poll by the Service Employees International Union showing 94% of RPNs experiencing irregular working hours. Advocates calling on the government to address rising stress on nurses. Last spring, Ontario introduced pandemic pay premium for essential workers. The poll says its telephone survey, the Oracle poll, was conducted March 29th to the 3rd, has a margin of error 1.6%, 19 times out of 20. All right, let's get to the streets now. Peel Regional Police are asking for your help to find a missing 16-year-old girl. We're going to show her picture here. This is Hannah Ang, last seen Sunday night just before 10:30 in the area of Mavis and Queensway West in Mississauga. Hannah is described as female, Asian, 4'9", shoulder-length black hair, last seen wearing a Roots hooded shirt, sweatpants, black shoes, glasses, a black mask, and was using a bike. So anyone who has any information, please contact Peel Regional Police if you have any information here. And an update to a situation we've been following in Vancouver. One person is dead and at least 2 others are still at large following a shooting that happened outside the city's international airport. And this is video here posted on social media. It appears to show the moments after the fatal shooting happened near the departure terminal just after 3 local time. Investigators say the victim, a 28-year-old man known to police. Officers on scene were shot at by someone in a getaway vehicle. Now, this shooting reportedly linked to ongoing gang violence. It's the latest in a string of public shootings across the Metro Vancouver region. 6:10 is your time right now. A quick break, but coming up next, we're going to get you a look at the markets. By the way, did you catch SNL this weekend? Elon Musk hosting, so wondering if that's going to have a move on Tesla at all in the markets. But also, one cryptocurrency tanking after it became the butt of one of his jokes. So Mike Apple will break that all down, see if he tuned in next.